So my name is Nino. I'm the co-founder at Pleno. We are developing a modular autonomous operating system for drones that transform it into an autonomous smart robots.
Hi, my name is Nora. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Pleno, a modular device that can be installed in any type of drones with an autonomous software behind it, and this will make the robots drive on its own, all done autonomously.
We are working on dual use cases. We are doing it within infrastructure inspection and for agriculture monitoring. We are still relying on human operators that needs around 200 hours of training with thousands of dollars of expensive equipment.
Our modular operating system reduces the dependency of human operators, which then reduce the cost by 90% and increase the drone operation effectiveness by 10 times.